Hey, this is Ryan and Jacob, and we're going to define and show examples on classifying triangles.
To classify a triangle, you need the different types of triangles. You have isosceles, scalene, and equilateral triangles.
Equilateral triangles have all sides and angles the same, and scalene triangles has no equal sides and no equal angles. Isosceles, however, have a pair of congruent sides and a pair of congruent angles. This is an example of a scalene. This is an example of an isosceles triangle. And this is an example of an equilateral triangle. As seen here, the scalene triangle has no equal sides and no equal angles. This is an example. This isosceles triangle is an example because the two sides are the same. It's on eraser. Two sides are the same, which means these two angles will both be 52 as a result. And this is an example of an equilateral, as all sides will be the same as directed, and all angles will be the same. Since all sides and angles are the same, you can find each side. So what you can do to find the side lengths: 6x is equal to 4x plus 8 minus 4x. You will get 2x, then plus 8, that will be 4. So each side length will equal 4 units as such. Since this isosceles triangle does not give any sides, you cannot find them. However, the angles will be congruent, so 52 and then 52.
One real-world example of this is when you use the architecture to check the lengths and angle proportions.
One example of this is the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Notice how each, what you call it, pillar, I guess, it's a triangle. They would use this to determine the side lengths and make sure that each angle is proper. One question is, if a triangle has all equal sides, and I'm using the wrong thing, all equal sides with my awful drawings. Let's say the side length is 5. Obvious question, what would all the side lengths be? The answer would be 5, as it is an equilateral triangle and can be used. All angles will be the same, and all sides will be the same. Another question that you might see is, this triangle will have the angles of 55, 45, and 80. Disregard the angle congruence signs. What triangle type would this be? This would be a scalene because all angles will be disproportionate from the sides, meaning that no side will be equal. So this could be 5, 4, and like 12 for all we know.
And it's unbalanced.
Unbalanced. That's the end of the video.